North Dakota isn't exactly the first state that pops into someone's head when they're forming an LLC. It's small, low population, not a lot of hype, but sometimes that's actually the appeal. Less congestion, straightforward systems, and a filing fee that's right in the middle at $135. So today, let's take a real look at it. I'm going to walk you through how to start an LLC in North Dakota in 2026, what it costs, how the compliance works, and whether this small population state makes strategic sense for your business. Hey, I'm Bobby Casey, founder of Business Anywhere. I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs, U.S. founders, expats, digital nomads, and non-U.S. residents form LLCs remotely without dealing with state-level confusion or missed deadlines. And North Dakota is one of those states that feels simple, as long as you understand the moving parts. All right, before we get into forms and filings, let's zoom out. An LLC, limited liability company, is about protection. It creates a legal barrier between you and your business. If the company runs into legal trouble or debt, your personal assets are generally protected. From a tax standpoint, LLCs are flexible. A single-member LLC is taxed like a sole proprietorship by default. A multi-member LLC is taxed like a partnership. And later, if it makes sense, you can elect S-Corp taxation. So you get liability protection without the complexity of a corporation. Now let's shift specifically to North Dakota. The filing fee to form an LLC in North Dakota is $135. That's paid to the North Dakota Secretary of State when you file your articles of organization. It's not the cheapest state, but it's also not overly expensive. North Dakota's smaller population often means fewer bottlenecks in processing and administration, which some founders appreciate. All right, so how do you actually form your LLC? It starts with choosing your name. Your LLC name must be distinguishable from other registered businesses in North Dakota, and it must include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or LLC at the end. So it can't just be Badlands Consulting, it needs to be Badlands Consulting LLC. Before you settle on a name, search the North Dakota Business Database to confirm availability. If you're not ready to file yet but want to secure the name, North Dakota allows you to reserve it for a set period for a small fee. Once your name is squared away, let's talk about your registered agent. Every North Dakota LLC must have a registered agent with a physical street address in the state, no P.O. boxes. This person or company receives legal documents and official notices on behalf of your business. If you live in North Dakota, you can act as your own registered agent, but your address becomes public record and you must be available during business hours. That's why many founders use a professional registered agent service. It keeps your information private and ensures nothing important gets missed. Now, moving forward to the official filing, you'll submit your articles of organization to the North Dakota Secretary of State. The filing fee is $135. In that filing, you'll provide your LLC name, registered agent information, principal office address, and management structure, whether your LLC is member managed or manager managed. Once approved, your LLC is officially active. Now here's something North Dakota doesn't require you to file with the state, but you absolutely should create an operating agreement. An operating agreement outlines ownership percentages, decision-making authority, profit distribution, and what happens if a member leaves. Even if you're a single-member LLC, this document strengthens your liability protection and makes your business look far more credible to banks and partners. Next up is your EIN. Your employer identification number comes from the IRS and it's free. Think of it as your business's tax ID. You'll need it to open a U.S. business bank account, hire employees, and file federal taxes. If you're a U.S. resident with an SSN, you can apply online and receive it quickly. If you're outside the U.S., the process takes a bit longer, but is still manageable. Now let's talk about ongoing compliance. North Dakota requires LLCs to file an annual report. There is a filing fee associated with that report, and it must be submitted each year to keep your LLC in good standing. Missing your annual report can result in penalties or administrative dissolution. So even though the formation process is straightforward, staying compliant year after year is critical. Depending on your business activities, you may also need to register for state taxes or obtain specific licenses. North Dakota doesn't require a general statewide business license for every LLC, but certain industries absolutely require permits. If you're selling physical goods, you'll likely need to register for sales tax with the North Dakota Office of State Tax Commissioner. Finally, once your LLC is approved and you've received your EIN, open a dedicated business bank account. This step is essential. If you mix personal and business funds, you risk weakening your liability protection. Banks will typically request your articles of organization, EIN confirmation letter, operating agreement, and valid identification. If you're operating remotely or internationally, you'll also need a legitimate U.S. business address. So let's recap the roadmap. To start an LLC in North Dakota, choose a unique name and confirm availability. Appoint a registered agent with a North Dakota street address. File your articles of organization and pay the $135 state fee. Create an operating agreement. Obtain your EIN. Register for any required taxes or licenses. And file your annual report each year to stay compliant. North Dakota may not be flashy. It's a small population state. But the process is stable, structured, and predictable. You can absolutely handle it yourself, but if you'd rather skip the paperwork and compliance tracking, we can help. At Business Anywhere, we'll form your North Dakota LLC for free. You just pay the $135 state fee, and we include your first year of registered agent service at no extra cost. We'll also help with your EIN and send annual report reminders so nothing slips through the cracks. So I'm curious, are you forming in North Dakota because you live there, or are you comparing it with nearby states? Drop a comment and tell me what you're building, and I'll see you in the next one.